Hi guys, I know it's been a while, sorry about that. I'm gonna post more, but I wanna show you guys a new thing that I'm using called perplexity. I'm using it to write books, like I told you in some of my other videos. But today I'm just gonna show you how to use perplexity. So when you're going into perplexity, it's gonna create a thread where you might have to sign in. So I'll use carded ribbon. Oh, I forgot. I need to use my dad's account. But he said, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm on the free plan right now, actually. So let's say I could type in like, hi. I'll just try that. Greeting the user with, hi there, hope your day and, oh my God, it knows who I am. So I'll be like, K-pop. No, I'm gonna say K-pop or pop. Then it'll be like, and see, it'll give you charts and stuff now. Now this is just random, but what you can do is go to this, in this global thing, and then it shows you like all the threads that you have, like 1, 2, and then once you go back, it says a new thread. So you can go to your threads to like see what you've done, but I think you'll need to sign in to get threads. What should I do? Write a story about giant robots taking over the world. Tightened on. Like, see? You might need to make a lot of adjustments because it's just gonna do stuff. But look, I have a whole story. Like, it's crazy. So, hope you guys like perplexity.